Watch videos and make money online. We offer in-depth guidance on a proven method to earn free PayPal money in 2023 just by watching YouTube videos. If you're looking for an accessible and legitimate way to boost your income, you've come to the right place. In this instructional script, we'll take you through a detailed step-by-step process, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to get started. In today's world, opportunities to earn extra money online have become increasingly accessible. One such opportunity is watching YouTube videos and getting paid for it. That's right, you can transform your leisure time into a profitable venture. In this extended script, we'll provide an in-depth understanding of how this method works and how you can make the most of it. So, if you're ready to learn how to make money online through YouTube, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up on YouTube. To embark on this lucrative journey to financial empowerment, let's take the first step by venturing into the captivating world of YouTube. This virtual treasure trove of video sharing holds immense potential. If you're already a part of the YouTube family, great! If not, there's no need to break a sweat. Creating an account is a breeze. It's as easy as pie. All you need to do is to click on the inviting sign-in button perched at the top right corner of the page. This marks the pivotal beginning of your thrilling adventure into the realm of earning money on YouTube. Step 2. Explore YouTube categories. Now that you're successfully logged in, it's time to immerse yourself in the wondrous diversity of content that YouTube offers. It's like strolling through a vast digital marketplace of ideas and entertainment. But for the purpose of optimizing your venture, we strongly recommend narrowing down your focus to a specific category: gaming. Gaming-related videos have this marvelous knack for attracting avid audiences. They provide an excellent platform for you to bolster your PayPal balance. In the script, we'll be focusing on gaming, a realm brimming with potential for your financial aspirations. Step 3. Dive into gaming videos. Within the expansive gaming category, you'll uncover an extensive library of videos, each catering to different game, genre, or gaming enthusiast. Amid this cornucopia of gaming content, one particular variety stands out like a shining star: live streaming videos. These live streams consistently amass substantial audiences, and it's within these digital frontiers that will unlock a unique strategy for your benefit. Step 4. Let the watching commence. The moment you've been waiting for is here. The journey into revenue generation is set in motion by one simple task: watching. However, there's a catch. You must ensure that you invest a minimum of 30 seconds into each video. Why, you ask? Because this seemingly straightforward act is the key that unlocks the vault of opportunity, allowing you to earn a cool $5 for every YouTube video you view. The beauty of this method lies in its repeatability. You can rinse and repeat this process for an array of videos. In this script, we're poised to divulge the ingenious means of converting these viewed videos into cold, hard cash. Step 5. Shorten YouTube video links. To truly supercharge your money-making endeavor, we introduce you to a formidable ally: 7r6.com. This ingenious platform is your trusted sidekick, assisting in the process of shortening the URL links of the YouTube videos you've immersed yourself in. This is a vital step that transforms these links into a more shareable and manageable assets. Step 6. Copy and shorten YouTube links. With your freshly minted 7r6.com account in hand, return to the YouTube universe. Seek out the video you've enjoyed and click on the tantalizing share button. It's at this juncture that you'll copy the URL link of the YouTube video, laying the foundation for your financial journey. Step 7. Craft a unique link. Now, Return to your 7r6.com dashboard and paste the YouTube link into the designated box. A simple click later, you'll witness the transformation of the unwieldy YouTube link into a distinct, traceable asset. Every subsequent click on this link is a chime in your virtual cash register. We'll elucidate the intricacies of how this ingenious process works, ensuring you grasp its full potential. Step 8. Expand your earnings. Don't limit your aspirations to a single video. The path to greater earnings beckons with open arms. Repeat the entire process from step 3 to step 7 for multiple videos. The more videos you engage with and share, the greater your potential earnings. And here's a nifty pro tip. Live streaming videos often yield the most promising results. Consider focusing in this category for optimal outcomes. Step 9. Unleash your earnings on gaming forums. To maximize your earnings to the fullest, we recommend venturing onto platforms where gaming enthusiasts congregate, such as Steam Community and Moot.us. These digital hubs provide a unique opportunity to broadcast your shortened 7r6.com links, setting the stage for increased earnings as more individuals click on them. Step 10. Employ the template advantage. For the ultimate edge in your earnings journey, we've got a crafty trick up our sleeves. Utilize a pre-designed template to seamlessly share your links on gaming forums. It's like having a secret weapon in your financial arsenal. You can conveniently copy the template provided in this video and tailor it to your specific needs, including your shortened link. This straightforward strategy possesses the potential to significantly amplify your earnings, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So, to sum it all up, by following these step-by-step instructions, you can tap into a straightforward method to make free PayPal money in 2023. With a little effort and consistency, you can increase your income by watching videos on YouTube and sharing your shortened links on gaming forums. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today and discover how you can generate extra income with just your computer or mobile phone. Before we conclude, remember that staying updated with our channel is essential. To access the latest strategies and opportunities for financial growth, make sure to subscribe. We're here to support you on your journey to increasing your income and making the most out of online platforms. Subscribe now and join our growing community of financially savvy individuals. We trust that this guide has provided you with valuable insights and knowledge. Earning additional income through video watching is a legitimate avenue to bolster your PayPal balance. Don't overlook the opportunities presented by live streaming videos, the helpful tools on 7r6.com, and engaging with gaming forums. We appreciate your viewership here at Profitability Plus, where our aim is to equip you with in-depth insights to enhance your financial prosperity. Now, it's your chance to transform your online engagement into a stream of revenue.